Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Buenos dias, mi gente. Yo. Welcome to Daily Discipline number 510 in a row. My name's Rob Hoback. Happy that you're here. Honored and humbled that you keep coming back like for reals. Hey, sorry we're late. The combination of the first Monday after time change and a couple of sick kids just did me in. So it is a Mamba Monday. We're here. It's a work day and we got work to do. So let's do it. First things first, I'm still the realist. I'm also serving and I'm cleaning. See, couldn't even write down the same thing on Tuesday. But yeah. Poor little Jack's got some sort of bug and it's coming out both ends. So we've just been cleaning up nonstop. So moving on to our thank yous. Number one, God is good. He's good to us even when Jack's puking everywhere. I'm thankful for daddy duty, right? I'm thankful that I'm going through this. This is good for me. I need this, right? It reminds me what my priorities are, which is also part of my training for whatever is next. I'm thankful for daily discipline that reminds me. Yesterday we talked about having some perspective. Then as we talked about that, then yesterday I saw where the Lakers had clinched a playoff berth 1 year after a year ago. Yesterday they were eliminated from the playoffs. So it's just interesting, right? Perspective always helps. Patience helps, both of which I wrote down. Perspective and patience. And moving on to the real talk is remember your priorities, right? Remember your primary objective. Once you have kids, you got to take care of those kids. And sometimes you're going to have conflict and you can't take it out on the kids, right? That's a message for myself. And then I wanted to share this with you, a picture from Sissy, right? She loves me, even though I'm grabby sometimes. But yeah, all in all, yesterday we had a good day. We didn't get to church because everybody was throwing up. And then, but we did get to have, Sissy got to have her play date with her friend Mitchell, who then I got to have a great conversation with his father, very nice man. And then Sissy was able to go to her birthday party that we showed up on Saturday, 24 hours early. But then on the way home, Jack threw up all over the car. So it's just nonstop, rough day. But we got through it. So anyway, yeah, just remember what your priorities are, right? Like I had a bunch of stuff I wanted to do, but my number one priority is being a dad. So with that, we're done for the day. Hands up, peace out, we're better together. Got a busy day today. Sure you do too, so go get after it. Attack it like Mamba would. And we'll be back tomorrow on a 2 for Tuesday. We'll see you then. Deuces. Love you. Hashtag clean something, right?